What on earth should I do with all these acorns? They're just all over the place. Well, I have found out about a new way to do rust protection or rust passivation, and it's almost, you could literally say, dirt cheap, because it's using things that are you can just find in your yard. So I'm going to put a couple of rusty items in here, and we'll let these things get soaked up and see what happens. All right, so rusty items and the secret sauce, in this case, some crushed acorns. Compliments of getting run over in the street. And now we just add some water to this, and we will turn the heat on. And so what's going to happen is, so right now you can see that that's nice and clear. When the tannins start coming out of the acorns, then they're going to start reacting with the iron oxide and form iron tannate, which is going to be something that's actually a pretty robust covering for things, well, steel items. Boy, I can really talk tonight, can't I? All right, after this is soaked for a while, let's go ahead and just see how everything came out. I'll just pour off the liquid there, which you can kind of catch a hint that it's got that purplish look that we'd expect to see if it was iron tannate, or iron tannate. And if I can get that to focus on it, then yeah, you can see that that is pretty blackened up. And let's go ahead and get some of the other ones out. Yeah, so those all look pretty nice. I'm going to take them out, clean them up a little bit, and then I can show you what they look like. Okay, so here we have them. They're nice and blackened there. And just as a note, the tannic acid is actually something that's used in the commercial rust converters, I guess is the way to say it. Not all of them. Some use phosphates, but this isn't an uncommon one. But it's given a very nice, even coating to it, and it's, yeah, it really can't complain about that at all. And I've had some of this stuff sitting in water for a while, and it's not really shown much sign of rusting. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil on that anyways, and these should be good to go. So yeah, there you go. You don't even have to pay for a rust converter. You can just go grab some acorns. All right, and here are the pieces after drying them off and adding a little bit of oil just for some added protection. And they look pretty nice.